Everything in life is attention. Hearing the sounds around you is attention. Grabbing your coffee in the morning is attention. You probably have 3 to 7 attention points all at once, simultaneously, every single day. Your life could be in a completely different place just by improving how you allocate your attention resources to achieve the results you desire. My role is to connect authentically with your attention point, engage your mind, and improve your listening skills. I'm going to give you the secret strategies and tactics that I developed for mastering your focalization and concentration. You're going to learn everything from negotiating your focalization to what you actually choose to pay attention to. You know, attention is letting other people have their way. So, mirroring what you observe creates the opportunity for the others to present you with your ideas. I'll teach you sharper focalization without you even noticing you're concentrating. Great attention is about collaboration and negotiating with yourself about where to pay attention to. Why does it matter to you that you should get better at paying attention? Because however your life is now, you can do better. I'm Carmen Sauci, and I'm going to improve your life.